Are you still outsourcing your digital marketing? Let me show you why the smartest businesses today are doing the opposite. They're building it in-house, and it's saving them money, increasing control, and delivering better results. And the best part? You don't need a huge team or a big budget to do it, just the right approach. Let me explain. The agency problem. For years, the default move was to hire a marketing agency. You hand over your budget, you hope they get your brand, and you wait. But let's be honest, they don't live inside your business. They don't hear the customer calls. They don't see what actually works, and they're juggling 10 other clients. So what happens? You get campaigns that sound good on paper, but never quite land in real life. And all the while, you're paying thousands per month for outsourced effort and outsourced thinking, the in-house advantage. Now imagine this instead. Someone inside your business knows your voice, knows your values, knows your customers, and they're trained to build a real digital presence. Email campaigns, social media, content analytics, all aligned with what your business actually needs. This is what businesses are doing now. They're taking control by bringing digital marketing in-house, either by training someone already on the team or hiring one dedicated person and investing in that person the right way. It's faster, it's leaner, it's more effective. Why it works. Here's why this works so well. Your internal person knows your product. They don't need to be briefed every week. They're not copy-pasting generic strategies. They're building something real. And with proper training, they can launch campaigns, test ideas, track performance, and adjust fast without waiting on a third party. And guess what? It's a lot more affordable. One good hire plus focused training will beat an overworked agency retainer every single time. How to make it work. Here's how to do it smart. Step 1. Look at your current team. Is there someone sharp who's ready to grow into the role? Step 2. If not, hire someone with basic marketing experience. Someone coachable. Hungry to learn. Step 3. Give them structure. Give them the skills. That's where Skill or a Digital comes in. We've built a course specifically for this exact scenario. It's designed for professionals, not influencers, not tech bros, but real businesses who needs marketing that actually works. It's step by step, no fluff, and it gets your in-house person ramped up fast. In 60 to 90 days, they'll have the practical skills to handle your day-to-day digital marketing internally with confidence. So if you're ready to stop outsourcing your brand and start building your own digital power inside the business, click the link in the description. Train your team, own your marketing, and take full control of your growth. Skill or a Digital will help you make it happen.